Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic, that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the heated seats is located. If you have heated seats, you need to check that fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse is located, why it's important to test fuses and relays, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure to stay till the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021, where we make these videos to save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So which fuse we need to check for the heated seats? We're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic, guys. You have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work inside the vehicle. The fuse box that's located under the dash on the driver's side. You look upside down, guys, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. This right here, okay, is the OBD port. So this is the fuse box. We're going to zoom in so we can show you with a great detail. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, for the heated seats, where that fuse is located. If you guys come right here on the bottom, you have fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26, 27 through 39. Here, the fuse that we'll need to check for the heated seats, if yours is equipped with, will be number 27, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32. That fuse that we have missing right here, guys, that's the one that you will have for heated seats, okay? If yours is equipped with heated seats, you will have that fuse right there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing that help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.